What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me on D's analysis. We're going to be looking at Palantir right now. So as you can see, we got our bounce off of this key level, pushing up higher, and we have reclaimed this trend line to the upside. And it looks like we're getting a bounce off the trend line and this horizontal level of support and resistance. Let's see how high this thing can go. I do see us breaking all-time highs relatively soon. This is a good setback for this large move that we've had up. This was a nearly 90% move, and we're getting a minor pullback, which is good to see a nice little 15% reset to allow price to push up higher. Hopefully you use this as a dip buying opportunity. As you can see, we made a 46% drawdown where you could have accumulated shares. When you take a look here on the SMA on the weekly, we broke above it and got a strong bounce off of it, and that allows price to stay within that bull trend. And when you take a look here on the daily, you can see the 20 crossing the 50, extremely bullish, and it's right underneath price, which is going to hug price and push it to the upside. Unless we fall underneath it, then that would turn to a bearish scenario. On the RSI, we are creating lower highs and lower lows, but it does seem like we could potentially get a bounce off this yellow moving average. And let's see if we can actually reclaim this 70 and push back into the overbought territory and get a large move to the upside. On the daily, we did fall underneath this moving average. Looks like we got almost like a retest, but we didn't make it all the way up, and now we're pushing back down. But let's see how it plays out. This is a key level here on the RSI. As you can see, it's acted as support and resistance along the way. So let's see how price plays out here. When you take a look here at the fib, we made it to the 0.5 to the 618, which is this gray shaded zone. This is a key level to allow price to push up higher, and that's exactly what it did. Pulled back from this point here because nothing else matters from the left-hand side. So anything from here to the right is what matters. So we pushed down, got a perfect bounce, and we trampolined right back practically to all-time highs. And it looks like Palantir is getting ready to take off at any moment, as long as we hold this trend line and continue the bullish sentiment around the stock. Overall, though, I'm very bullish on Palantir. I do think it's a great addition to the portfolio for a long-term position. You know, the next 5, 10, 15 years, you could make a decent amount of money. Very innovative, tied with the government, so that's also a great thing as well. Like and subscribe if you guys enjoy content like this. Share with a friend. Drop a comment. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next one.